biology teacher, and today I will teach you a new topic of bioenergetics. I hope you will understand about the previous topic, bioenergetics and the role of ATP, kinetic energy, potential energy, oxidation and reduction reactions. Now today our topic is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. We are also called the cell's energy currency because energy is saved in the form of ATP in our cells. So ATP was discovered in 1929 by the name of scientist Carol Lohmann. ATP is the major energy currency of all the cells. How ATP is made? First of all, I am giving you an idea of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is present within the nucleus and cytoplasm of our cells. Nucleic acid is a complex organic substance which is present in all living cells. Especially it is present in DNA or RNA. And DNA or RNA molecule are consist of nucleotides. So what is nucleotides? Nucleotides is the building blocks of DNA and RNA. Means DNA or RNA is made up of nucleotide. Nucleotide link with nucleic acid, and nucleic acid is present in our nucleus. So where ATP is present? ATP is present in our nucleus or cytoplasm. Structure of nucleotide. It is consist of a base. One of four chemicals: adenine capital A, thymine capital T, guanine capital G, cytosine capital C. These four are called a nitrogenous base. So first of all, what is mean by nitrogenous base? Basically nitrogenous base is an organic molecule with the nitrogen atom. So it is called nitrogenous base. These four are the bases of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. What about the basis of RNA? In RNA molecule, thymine is not present. Except thymine, a uracil, capital U, a base is present. So it is a difference of DNA or RNA. In DNA, thymine is present. In RNA, uracil is present. Is the main difference. Next part is molecule of sugar. 5 carbon sugar is present in it, and phosphoric acid is present. Nitrogenous bases and molecule of sugar is the organic part of nucleotide, and phosphoric acid is the inorganic part of nucleotide. Let's see the pictures. Nucleotide, phosphate group. If one phosphate group is present, it is called AMP, adenosine monophosphate. If two phosphate is present, it is called ADP, adenosine diphosphate. If 3 phosphate is present, it is called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. These phosphate are linked to each other with covalent bond. A bond is present between them. Which bond? A tiled bond is present. Tiled bond is basically a high energy bond which is present between phosphate. If this phosphate is this bond is break down, it means highly energy is releases. If this bond is made up, means highly energy is stored. Next part is 5 carbon sugar, made up of 5 carbon. If it is present in RNA, so we are called ribose sugar. If it is present in DNA molecule, so we are called deoxyribose sugar. Second difference of DNA or RNA, ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar. Third part is nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base form a ring structure, means it contain a ring, double or single ring. If it is contain a double ring, so it is called purine. If it is contain a single ring, so it is called pyrimidine. Nitrogenous bases are linked to each other, like adenine also linked with thymine and guanine also linked with cytosine. You know about ATP is the main energy source. It helps to synthesis of macromolecule like DNA, RNA, protein, carbohydrate, lipids, etc. These are the main source of many cellular function. A movement, like we are moved with the help of ATP, transmission of nerve impulse like Nerves are present in our body. It coordinate with our brains. They are also need an energy. Active transport, exo and endocytosis. These all are the name of process which needed energy in the form of ATP. Covalent bond containing 2-phosphate, which is indicated by a tight high energy bond. If this bond is released, break, they release energy. If it is made, it gain the energy. Bonds break and nitrogen phosphate gets separated from ATP. ATP molecule with the presence of water, if its bond is break, it is formed ADP, means one phosphate group is releases, means energy is releases. Next one is how many energy is released in breaking of one phosphate bonds. 7.3 kilocalories, 7,300 calories per molecule of ATP is needed. Is releases or gain also. If ATP molecule is gain one phosphate group, so it form ATP. How many energy it is stored in one phosphate group? 7.3 kilocalories. Cells constantly recycle means ADP converted to ATP, ATP converted to ADP, and ADP also converted to AMP, only one phosphate molecule. ATP also transfer energy between metabolic reaction, like many changing are taking place in our cell. So ATP transfer energy. What is the main function of ATP? ATP is the ability to store and release energy. You know, phosphate to phosphate bond. Is phosphate to phosphate bond are stored energy, and also if the bond is break, energy is releases. The reactions are endothermic or exothermic. Endothermic or exothermic. Okay, I hope you will understand this topic. ATP, where we store energy, nucleic acid, nucleotide, etc. is your home assignment. Understanding the concept, question number 1 and 2 you will write in your notebook, and remember the terms adenine, ATP, nucleotide, nucleic acid, ATP, nitrogenous base, DNA, RNA, pyrimidine and purine, etc. You will also write the difference between ADP, ATP, nucleotide, nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, pyrimidine and purine in your notebook. So you will better understand this topic. Okay, thank you students.